Hello from Halo. This is Sam speaking, and I'm trying something a little bit different. I have a video stand so I can actually do design work and explain what I'm doing. This is going to be a very short video, and it's going to be on using guides, why you should use guides, how to use them easily, and how they can help affect your finished product. So this is a good example. We will be recreating this PO form. One thing my printer wanted me to keep in mind was to keep a 1/4 inch margin on all sides so that information doesn't fall off of the edge of the paper when he's printing it. So there's a really simple way to set up margins, set up guides for those margins so that for design it would be easier to keep those in mind. So what we're going to do, here you can see I have our ruler showing. If it's not already showing, then you right click outside of the art, what is this? The artboard. Excuse me, it's early today. But yeah, right click outside of the artboard, hit show rulers, and they'll pop up. What you're gonna do is have your cursor right into the ruler right here. You're gonna click control, click, and drag. You'll see this line right here. If you click from the edge, oops. And obviously if you do that, it's going to drag it. But I'm going to undo that and drag it back over here. Once again, take your cursor, hover over the ruler on the edge here. I will give you vertical guides, and the ruler up here will give you horizontal guides. So hover, control, click, drag, and here is your line, and you're going to use, it would be so much easier if I didn't keep constantly dragging on accident. But you're going to use the etchings up here in the actual ruler to dictate where you're going to place your guide. So for these guides, they need to be a 1/4 inch from the edge of the paper. So hover, control click, drag, and that's about a 1/4 inch, a little bit over. There it is. Boom. It's a 1/4 inch in from the edge. Of course, I guarantee going over reading a measure like that, it does certainly help if you understand how to read a tape measure. But we're going to keep doing this once again. For the other side, you want to come in from the edge of your artboard. So over here, I was basing it a 1/4 inch from this left edge coming inward, and then here from this right edge coming inward. Two different directions, but they were both inward towards the design. So I will now go ahead and set these guides for the top and bottom. Again, dragging from the top ruler edge gives you horizontal. And I'm going to scroll down here a bit. Hover, control, and you can see when I click control, your cursor will turn white. Click, drag, and then I'm going to start from the bottom edge and go up to about that 1/4 of an inch mark. And now my edges are appropriately set. I can go ahead and go through this form, redesign it, knowing that I need to stay within the cyan guides. Now, of course, you can hide these guides if you want to. You can bring them back in. They are, of course, not actually a part of your artwork. It's just a handy tool that Illustrator gives designers so that we can design in the margins we set. Again, this was Sam speaking, and I hope this design trick helps you in your future designs.